Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to color grade an image in Lightroom. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. Then it opens up in the gallery, and from the gallery we have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After selecting a picture, and after it has loaded, we have to select color from the bottom slider. We tap on color, and here there is a grading button, as you can see here. We tap on grading, and here we have multiple options. Color grading is basically selecting a color that is going to be represented in the shadows, in the midtones, and then in the highlights. So let's say in the shadows, we select the shadows to be a bit more bluish. Here the picture looks like this, with the shadows being more bluish, and this is the picture without the shadows being a bit bluish. Here we can edit the saturation of the tint that the shadows get. We can edit the luminance of it, how dark or how light the shadows are going to become, and then do the same thing with the other tones, for the midtones and for the highlights. It's good to select opposing, contrasting colors for the shadows and for the highlights, and then a color from in between for the midtones. But this is besides the point. After selecting a highlight and after selecting a shadow tone, then we can just go in, scroll down and set the blending that the two kinds of colors are going to experience. If we increase it, then there is going to be a smoother transition between the shadows and the highlights, and then we can select the balance, which color dominates the image. If we move it to the left, then the shadow colors are going to dominate, and if we move it to the right, then the highlight colors are going to dominate. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.